Hello everyone. In this video, we will explain about our Java project. And the title of our Java project is Basic Calculator. We have did this project in a group of three. My name is Dheeraj Gowda and other two members are Hardik Shetty and Bharat Halemane. Now I will give an introduction for our project. The basic calculator is a simple yet effective program designed to perform an fundamental arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. This project is developed in Java. This program demonstrates core programming principles by interacting with the user through the command line to take inputs and process them based on the selected mathematical operations. It uses conditional statements to execute the chosen operation and includes error handling, such as checking for division by zero. The calculator is user-friendly, handling both integers and floating point numbers, and provides an interactive, effective, and extensible solution for an basic calculations. This project serves as an excellent example of implementing logical and computational function in Java, making it an ideal functional project for learning programming concepts. The objectives of the project are it enables user to conduct essential mathematical calculations including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. And it also illustrates the use of basic Java syntax including variables, data types, conditionals, and the switch case statements for decision making, and it also facilitates easy interaction with the program by a sequential prompting the user for input and providing a clear instruction. And it also ensures safe operations by implementing checks for common error such as division by zero and provide informative error message to guide the user. And it also uses a modular operator which the switch statement makes it easy to read, maintain and expand the code with additional operations or features. And it also allows user to input and process both integer and floating point numbers for accurate and versatile calculation. It serves as an introductory project for beginners to practice programming logic, input handling, and basic arithmetic operations in Java. Now I am going to explain the algorithm for the project code. In step 1, program starts. In step 2, prompt the user to enter an first number. And in step 3, prompt the user to enter an operator. In step 4, prompt the user to enter the second number. And in fifth step, initialize a variable called result to store the output of the calculation. And in step 6, check the operator and perform the corresponding operations. If the operator is plus, then add number 1 and number 2 and store it in a variable called result. If the operator is minus, then subtract number 2 from number 1 and store it in the variable result. And if the operator is multiplication symbol like star, then multiply number 1 and number 2 and store the result in the variable called result. And if the operator is slash, then check if number 2 is not 0. If number 2 is not 0, then divide number 1 by number 2 and store it in the variable called result. Then if number 2 is 0, then display an error message for division by 0 and exit from the program. If the operator is percentage, then calculate the module of number 1 and number 2 and store the result in the variable called result. And if the operator is power symbol, then calculate the number 1 raised to the power of number 2 and store the result in the variable called result. And if the operator is invalid, then display an error message for an invalid operator and exit the program. And in step 8, display the result of the calculation. And in step 9, end the program. And the next topics will be explained by our teammates.
Hi everyone, I am Bharathamani Ashwin. I am going to discuss about basic calculator code what we did. Starting import Java utility scanner, that is the package for import yeah, taking input from user, and declares the class as a basic calculator. In main method, the entry point for the program. In scanner initialization is scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. That creates the scanner object to read input from the user. Input for first number. The system.out.println enter first number that promotes the user to input the first number, and it is stores as a double in number one variable. In operator input, system.out.println enter an operator that promotes the user to input an operator, and reads the first character of the user's input and store into operator variable. In as it is first number one variable, as a number two variable also take promotes the user to input the second number and stores as a double in a number two variable. In initial result, the result of starting is declared as a 0. Next, switch operator. The switch case structure handle different operations based on the user's input operator. In case place, the result is equal to number 1 number plus that adds the two numbers. In case minus, the result number 1 minus number 2, they subtract the second number from the first. In case star, result as a number 1 star number 2 multiples the two numbers. In case division, check for division by 0 first. If number not equal to 0, the performs division if the second number is non-zero. Otherwise, they print error division by 0 is not possible. In third slide, additional cases and default handling. Case modulus, the result number 1 modulus number 2, they finds the remainder when the first number is divided by the second. In case power, the result math.power number 1 number 2, they calculates the number 1 raised to the power of number 2. In default, which we are not entered any valid operator, in default they prints the invalid operator. Finally, the system.out.println the result is gives prints the calculated result, and we finally close the scanner. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Hari Shetty. I'm going to explain about the output of the code. Here you can perform various operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiation. User can enter two operands and one operator where you can perform various operations. For example, here we added 5 and 6 and the output will be given as 11, and here we subtracted 20 and 46 where the output is given as minus 26, and the multiplication operation is also performed where it given as where we multiplied 32 and 18 and the output is given as 576, and here we divided 25 by 4 where the output is given as 6.25, and here we performed modulus operation where the 5 modulus 2 is given as 1. Here we can also perform exponentiation operation where we evaluated 8 exponential 2. The result is evaluated as 64. It is a output of our code where we can evaluate all basic arithmetic operations. The next topic is conclusion. The basic calculator program is a simple yet effective application that demonstrates the fundamental concepts of programming, such as input handling, conditional statements, and basic arithmetic operations, written in Java. The program allows users to perform essential calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiation through an easy-to-use command line interface. By implementing error handling, the code ensures that common issues like division by zero are managed gracefully, enhancing its reliability. While limited in scope, this program serves as a solid foundation for beginners to learn programming logic and problem solving. It can also be easily expanded to include additional features, making it a versatile educational tool and a stepping stone toward more complex applications. And this is about our Java mini project. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video.